Welcome to the video series uncovering the ideas about how AI can help small businesses grow across various aspects of their operations. Idea number 39, automated manufacturing. AI-driven automation has become increasingly popular in manufacturing as it helps companies to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Automated equipment can monitor manufacturing processes and detect any error or malfunction, saving companies both time and money. Hey folks, thanks for watching this video. I have created a 10-module mini course from our upcoming course about uncovering the impact of AI on our lives. Rush and download this complimentary mini course by clicking the link given in description. And yes, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified for all future content. Thank you.